Jesteś famous?
W pewnych kręgach, tak. In certain circles, yes. So what we're doing today is photo shooting.
English czy Polish?
No. We were photo shooting the newest Men's Finest collection. So lots of bow ties, lots of pocket squares. Here in Liverpool, which is dramatically cold, we did it again. So also what we're doing is vlogging for jacket, a white shirt and jeans, trousers, combo with Bexley shoes, or previously with Nike Cortez. So stay stylish.
I ja też będę w nim uczestniczyć. To nie będzie nowy vlog, tylko to będzie odcinek komediowy. To będzie jedna wielka komedia. Czyli, że to miał być dzień z Men's Finest, ale to będzie komedia.
Twoje zachowanie za przemyślenia. To co?
Tak, jeżeli chcecie zakupić to Men's Finest.
0700. Denerwujesz, jesteś za nami.
Życie z Men's Finest.
Mamy to? Mamy to?